Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 17.5 beta 4 is out, as you can see. The update size is about 6.21 GB. The update size depends on from which software update you are coming. So for now I'm using iOS 17.4.1. That is why I am seeing this huge update size. But if you're already on 17.5 beta 3, you will see a different size. Don't worry, it is not going to take any extra storage in your iPhone. It is just going to overwrite the iOS completely. So first thing first, how you can install this update is quite simple. What you need to do is simply go to settings, then go to general, go to software update, and over here you will see the update. If you have selected the beta updates to the iOS 17 developer, as you can see, and you will see the update. If this is turned off, something like this, you will not see the update. As you can see, I'm already on 17.4.1. so over here selecting this one, going back, and now you will see the update. Now a quick question, should you guys update to this one or not? I always prefer that you should wait for the public version. So beta 4 is here. I'm hoping in 2 weeks there will be a public version, so you can update to the public version. That will be a better option. Well, for now, if I go to the feedback application over here and refresh it to see what are the release notes for the 17.5 beta 4, there are no release note yet for the beta 4 while I'm making this video, but there will be soon, so I will talk about those in upcoming video. The whole situation going with the battery life is quite going not so good. I have talked and covered lots of things in my previous videos about the battery health. I said that battery health may be causing because of the 17.5 beta's version, but later on it also dropped on the 17.4.1, which was kind of a conclusion for me that no, battery health isn't dropping because of the 17.5 betas or even because of the 17.4.1 betas. It is something else. Something else is going on, and I don't have idea about that. I am working on it, so I will try to bring a full-fledged video about that. So for now, what is new this update? There are no release notes, so I cannot show you that, but still it's a beta 4, so I'm hoping there will be bug fixes, something like these. But in upcoming video I will talk about more in detail in my upcoming video. So should you install? No, you should not install. You can wait for the public update if you're already on the public version, for example 17.4.1 or 17.4. But if you're already using 17.5 beta 3 beta 2 beta 1 whatsoever, then you can install the update, because there's not a much of a difference. Well, which iOS version you are using and how's the battery life going on for you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. It was a quick small video about the 17.5 beta 4 that it is out and how you can install this update. But don't install this update, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.